Help me! I fell down! I fell down! Oh no! You fell down, dear? Oh, but don't worry, my darling. I'll put a bandage for you. Thank you, Mom. But first, let's go home. Yes, Mom. Here, take this bandage, Mom. Thank you, Mom, so much. I'm feeling much better now. Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome, darling.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anugraha. By now you must have seen the animation that I have made, right? Yes, and you guessed it. Today we are going to do Scratch. So I'm just gonna give you a little tutorial of how to make an animation. So I named mine The Accident. I have made lots of animations like these, but I will show you them later. Okay, now let's click on The Accident. So this is how I made it. This is really easy, but it's just that you should add so many blocks. But you might think, oh no, so many blocks, that means so many work. It's gonna be really hard. No, it's super easy. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's go make another one so I can give you a clear spot and just show you how to do these things. Okay, so this is untitled. Yeah, I didn't make any name for it. Okay, now just go to see inside. Okay, so this is the cat sprite here. Now for the first thing in my accident, yeah, I'm just gonna create the exact same thing. Okay, and you can use my idea to create your own idea, but if you want to copy mine, it's fine. Copy. You can copy mine, or if you like mine but have a different idea, you can use your own imaginations to do things like this. Okay, so the first thing here. We saw our cat sprite doing a flip. It was okay, so I'll just explain the story in step by step. So our story starts with a cat named Jerry who is doing his flip for the first time. But he accidentally loses balance and falls down in his garden, and that hurts him so much. So let's get right on to it. We are going to events, and then we are going to take the block that says when green flag clicked. So when green flag clicked, we want it to flip. We want Jerry to do a flip. So for that, we are going to motions. Now take the block that says turn 15 degrees. Now see, when we click the green flag, it turns 15 degrees. Now you might say, oh, it's taking so much time, right? So that's why we are going to put not 15, we are going to put it to 40 degrees. Now let's try. See, but still it just moves like this so slowly. But this is an animation, so I just don't want to keep on pressing the green flag and just keep on pressing it. So this is why I'm going to add a loop. So I'm just going to go to the controls and take the block that says repeat 10. But let's just see what happens if we put it to repeat 10. It will do a flip, but it will not end up in the same posture, and moreover it will go like that. So we want it to come to an exact point. Okay, so first let's just make it back to normal again. 88. Okay, now it's good. So it always moves like that. So we put it to 18. Now let's see what happens if we put it to 18. Perfect flip. See, a perfect flip. So this is what we want. Okay, now we got our flip, but now it should fall over. So for that we got to add a sound effect. So let's, oh sorry, that was a cat meow. Now we are going to go to sounds and choose a sound. You can choose any kind of sound, but I am doing the exact same thing. So I'm going to the wacky section, and there I'm going to choose whiz. Yes, that one. This is the perfect one. We need this one. Okay, now let's see. See, we need that. Okay, now whiz. Now let's go back to code and start and press start sound whiz. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, so it's like that. We cannot use this standing cat because we want the cat that looks like it's falling down. So we are going to choose it from the costumes. So that's why I'm going to choose cat flying. And we are going to make it sad. Like make it look sad because it's falling. It fell down, right? Okay, now sorry. Okay, now we are going to choose this one. Now we are going to make let's just delete the nose and mouth. Let's just paint a sad face. Okay guys, after I drew the sad face of falling Jerry, I also did its dress. Its dress is a jacket with dark blue pants and black shoes, and I also did hurt Jerry. That's when Jerry stands up and realizes that he has hurt his knee, and he starts crying. And that's it for this video. I'll talk about the rest of the story in my next episode, and be sure to watch my upcoming videos. And also be sure to watch my previous videos that I talk about HTML and HTML5. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.